Let's make the super delicious Tres Leches Christmas Jello. We're going to start by making our lime and strawberry Jello. The packaging says dissolve in 4 cups of water, but we'll be using 3 so the Jello can be more firm. So we're going to start by boiling 2 cups of water. Then we're going to add the Jello packet and we're going to mix for 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and do the same with the red Jello. Afterwards, we're going to add 1 cup of cold water to each pot. Then we transfer it to a different container, and once it cools down, we're going to refrigerate all night long or at least for 4 hours. The next day, we're going to grease our molds with some cooking oil, and we're going to spread it with a napkin. Then we're going to put them in the freezer while we work on our next steps. We're going to take 1 cup of water, and we're going to dissolve 4 packets of this unflavored Jello, and we're going to mix and put it to the side. Now we're going to make our Tres Leches mixture. We're going to mix 1 can of evaporated milk, half a can of sweetened condensed milk, a can of media crema, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Mix real good and put it to the side. Now we're going to take our lime and strawberry Jello out the fridge, and we're going to cut them into cubes. By now the unflavored gelatin is hard and has set, so we're going to microwave it for 30 seconds. It should then be liquidy, and we're going to add it to our 3 leches mixture. Now for the fun part, we take our molds out the freezer and we're going to start layering the Jello, then the Tres Leches mixture, and we're going to leave it out and let it set for 10 minutes. Once that layer has semi-set, we layer again and repeat until you run out of your ingredients. Finally, we refrigerate all night long, or at least for 4 hours. Now to unmold, we're going to take our clean hands and we're going to separate the Jello from the edges. Turn it over, beat it a few times if you have to, but it will eventually come out. And there you have it. Your Tres Leches Christmas Jello is ready to enjoy.